They just wanna see you lose when you make it.
Okay guys, so I already chopped up my meat and I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, a teaspoon of salt. So I'm just going to mix it with my hands. You can also put it in a plastic bag and shake it. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and I will let that stir fry for about 4 minutes, just until the meat is no longer pink. While that's cooking up, you're gonna add 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and this is just an extra step. You don't have to do it, but if you have something like this, like a barbecue marinade, you can add 1/2 tablespoon of that, and we're gonna just mix that up. It's all mixed up now. Now that most of the meat is not pink, we will move on to take it out of the pan and into a bowl. Now in the same pan, we will be adding a tablespoon of garlic. And we're letting that cook for about a minute, but don't let it burn. Then right after, we will be adding 1/2 a cup of water and the broccoli. For the broccoli, I do buy the frozen one, so I placed it in the microwave so it can defrost. I will be cooking it in there with the water. It will take quicker to cook rather than if you're using the normal broccoli, then you would have to chop it up and let it cook in the water for a longer period of time until it's tender. 1/2 cup of water. My broccoli. It's still on medium temperature. So at this point, if you have the normal broccoli, you will let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, just until it's tender. But since mine is already tender, I will be adding the soy sauce mix as well as the beef. I'm still letting it cook on medium. I'm stirring that up. And now we will keep it on medium temperature until the sauce starts to get thick. So right now it's still very liquidy. Okay you guys, now the sauce is extremely thick, as you can see. It's very thick. It's just basically all coated around the meat. It's not liquidy anymore. I do want to tell you guys, as you guys are cooking, taste your food, please. Taste it. We all have different preferences. Maybe for you, the 1/4 cup of salt was not enough. I was tasting it along the way, and I did add a pinch of salt more. But yeah, I tasted mine already, and it's perfect now. And this is the end result. I did also add a little more of this along the way, so I probably added 1/2 tablespoon more. Again, like I said, you don't need that for the recipe. You can, as you taste it, if you want it a little more saucy or salty, you can add a little more soy sauce, a pinch of salt, and taste it as you go. Okay guys, now it's time to serve and enjoy. You can serve alongside a portion of white rice, and you can make some extra veggies on the side. Don't tell me, oh, the plate already has veggies. No, you can never go wrong with more vegetables on the side. You have to keep in mind your portion sizing, okay? And if you guys haven't seen the video where I talk about portion sizing, you guys should check it out.